This cold and cough drink offers several benefits, including soothing the throat, easing congestion, and promoting relaxation. It helps reduce inflammation, providing relief from irritation and discomfort. This drink also supports the immune system, aiding the body in fighting off infections more effectively by hydrating the body and keeping the respiratory system moist. It reduces coughing and helps clear mucus from the airways. Additionally, it has calming properties that contribute to better sleep, which is essential for recovery. Regular consumption helps maintain respiratory health and consistently supports the immune system over time. For more videos like this, keep watching Health Plus.